for another edition of Cooking with Old Cookbooks. Today we're going to be making some cookies, and the great thing about this cookie recipe is it uses lard because it's healthy. So we did
actually find lard.
So if you make this at home, you don't have to use lard. We just thought it'd be an adventure. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So, what do you want me to do?
Okay, so we are going to, once again, like the last recipe, we are going to have this one. So it calls for a quart of flour, which is 4 cups. We're gonna use 2 cups. So go ahead and put 2 cups of flour in our lovely little bowl here.
You have to slam it down at me. 2 cups.
2 cups of flour. We're making a mess already. We have 2 cups of flour to our mixing bowl. Now we gotta make a hole in the center.
Huh?
Make a hole in the center of the flour.
Why?
So, I don't know, it just says to do that. So we're just gonna kind of like push our flour to the side and make a hole.
I'll make a hole.
Okay, make a hole. Look at that, gorgeous. Okay, and now.
It's like a little nest.
Yeah, and now we're going to put in 1 cup of sugar. There we go, about a cup of sugar.
So is this supposed to fit in the hole?
I don't know, go ahead and just.
I'll make my hole bigger.
Okay, just dump it in. All right. 1 cup of lard, which this is.
Shouldn't be half a cup.
Half a cup of lard. It looks like wax almost. Does not feel like wax.
What's
Okay.
it feel like?
It feels like lard. It feels like fat.
Yeah.
Okay. Look at it.
What do I do with it?
Just pop it in. Pop it in.
It's supposed to do something?
So normally with cookie recipes, before we go on, you would mix all your dry ingredients together, mix your wet ingredients together, and then you would combine them. This is very typical in most baking. In this one, it's having us, what are you doing?
It's with the lard.
It's having us just put everything in here and figure it out. For whatever reason, it just had us put the sugar in the middle of the flour, and then we just stuck a giant thing of lard on top of that. Now we are going to add to this. You're messing it up. You're messing up your little.
That's fine. It's gonna get messed up.
Okay, we're gonna add 1 beaten egg. I don't know how we have an egg. Like, I forgot store-bought eggs are so yellow.
We got chicken, so our egg yolks are pretty.
They're more orange. So I'm gonna try to add in half an egg. You may get the whole egg. Put some egg in there. That's probably about half the egg.
That looks good.
Yeah. And now we're gonna add in a half a cup of sweet milk, which is our regular old milk. Half a cup.
Yes, sweet milk in old recipes is regular milk, fresh regular milk. They would use milk that freshly turned sour in some other recipes in order to save on resources. We don't really do that today.
Okay, into which has been stirred a half teaspoon, oops, I missed a step there, half a teaspoonful of baking soda. My bad.
You didn't miss.
It's supposed to be mixed into the milk. It makes it frothy. Remember when we did the fried bread recipe? And now, work well together with your hands. There you go. Yeah.
It feels
Yeah.
squishy.
It says work all together, roll thin, cut and bake in a quick oven.
What's a quick oven? What does that mean?
What does it mean? I'm going to assume normal cookies bake at about 350, 375. We have a little toaster oven over here that we're going to use. And we have it's got a little pan, and we got a little silicone mat in here.
I want to do it.
Right. Oh, it's turning into a dough. There you go. Incorporate that.
I don't like how that feels on my hands.
Incorporate it. Well, you committed, so.
Look at the big fat chunks.
Yeah, no, we need to get those out.
I want chunks of lard in my cookies.
Oh. No.
Lard is weird.
Roll thin. You can't really roll this dough out. It's pretty
sticky.
sticky. Do you want more flour?
Maybe a
You
little.
can add more to it. You can't take away, but you can certainly add more.
Maybe a little dash.
Okay.
Dashy dash.
Oh, you're gonna want more than a dash, trust me.
Well, whatever.
I know this from making bread. Okay, so back up a little bit. Yeah, I mean, what do you want to do? You want to cut them or you just want to scoop them?
I don't know. I'm just asking questions.
We can scoop them.
I don't know.
We're gonna scoop them. Okay, now first I take it. We'll scoop it. Let me get I need a,
It's over
we
here.
have a thing over here.
I can just use my
We'll
hands.
make some small cookies.
Look.
Oh my god.
So this is a messy recipe. What
Great
kind
for
of-
children.
Oh, they would love this.
So we're gonna
Don't
take
waste any.
a scoop and oh god. Help me. We're just gonna plop that sucker on there. Yeah. Here, make it more cookie like. Boop.
Yeah,
Oh,
no, don't do that.
Oh no.
It's sticky. Don't do that.
It's very sticky. So we have our rack on the center rack setting of the toaster oven. We're gonna put our little cookies in. We're gonna close this buddy.
What?
Huh? 350 or 375? Let's do 350, just in case. Okay, I'm gonna set it for 15 minutes, but we're gonna check on it after about 8 and see what happens. Put the cookies in. It's been about 8 minutes now, and I went ahead and just touched the tops to see if they sort of firmed up a little bit. They're still really, really soft, so we're gonna let this go a little bit longer. We'll check in with you guys in a little bit, and we will let you know about how long these take to finish up. Okay, so it's been about 14 minutes now. We're gonna go ahead and take out the cookies because they're nice and brown around the bottoms, and see what they look like. Trying not to burn myself. Be careful.
Please don't burn yourself.
Ooh, look at that. Pretty. So they got kind of this goldeny brown. Ooh, that one.
Okay.
Yeah, but they got this kind of brown around the edges. They're a little firm up top. Ooh, a little firm, a little soft. Okay, so we're gonna let these cool, and then we'll try them out and let you guys know how it went.
All right. So let's see if these cookies are cool enough. They have an interesting smell.
They don't smell good at all. It's basically like flour and
Maybe we put too much flour.
egg, and I don't know. It just does not smell good. How did it turn out? Ugh.
Like a biscuit. Like a sweet biscuit.
That's not bad. It's just not very good. Maybe it's supposed to be like a scone? I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't know.
Could be worse.
Could be a lot better.
Oh, not that
Or
bad.
not. Okay, well, thanks for joining us on this culinary adventure.
I'm sure someone out there can do these better than we did.
Yeah, if you do, can you bring us some? Because these are really bad.
All right, and we will see you all next time. If you have any suggestions, comment below on Facebook or just give the library a ring and we'll get the message. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.